As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.
So what is up mga titoy? I remember this place. Dito na tayo ng tindahan yung airpot ng kababata ko. I used to go here when I was in college. Kasi one trip away siya galing sa Indang, Cavite. So binibisita ko yung best friend ko, si GR Kumag. I think it's here in this spot. That one. The yellow one, or yeah, I'm not sure baka yan. Basta dito. Somewhere here. I actually forgot me. So yeah. Mga titoy! Malabas na naman tayo. Apparently, this is one of my vlog. I mean, nakaplano kasi yung mga vlogs ko eh. Although it's jumbled, I wanna fulfill it before the end of this month. So after this, probably gonna go to Bataan. Sana kayanin. It's kind of a far. Mahaba-habang biyahe, but we're here in Tagaytay. Look at it, it's flexing on the nation. So itong biyahe na to is apparently quite a long ride, no? Hindi ko na pinakita yung galing sa bahay papunta dito sa Tagaytay kasi it's like almost 3 hour ride from Manila, from Parañaque. I was riding like 1.5 hour now to Tagaytay, I believe, huh? I think with my pace, it's just around an hour. But I think it's 1.5 hour kasi I think I got off Parañaque 5:30 or 6. It's kind of 7:30. So one of the things that we're gonna talk about today is Canon Gaming. Tagal ko na siyang gustong puntahan, pero yeah, hindi ko nga alam kung makakapasok tayong Batangas eh. It's just that this pandemic hits and it's kind of like not good to be out. And then the next thing that we're gonna talk about, well, probably how my vlog should be, or how at least I expected it to be. On the intro, pinakita ko si Stradman, di ba? So we're gonna talk a little bit about that. So that is why you gotta tune in on this video para malaman nyo rin yung origin or yung at least pinaka-inspiration ko kung bakit ako nagvo-vlog. Yung main reason kung bakit gusto ko tong gawin. Although it's not that important to you guys, it's just, it pays to know. kung bakit kayo dapat manood. And if you haven't already, just have to click that like button, subscribe, and hit that naughty bell. We're not quite sure why yung mga truck na to nakatigil dito, pero nakakita sila ng mamihan. Mommy's life. Look at Tagaytay flexing on the nation. Well, actually, it's not Tagaytay. No? I think it's more of Taal Lake. That's Batangas. But we're here in Tagaytay, so Tagaytay is the one flexing. So this is one thing that we're gonna need to work on first, no? This is checkpoint. So, I'm not sure, hindi ako pinigilan. I was about to actually stop, no? Pero hindi ako pinigilan ng mga sundalo. For some reason, I'm not sure. Na if you're solo, that means you don't get to spread some virus, no? Pero guys, don't you ever try and do this, okay? Kaya tayo sa Canon Gaming. Wala yatang idea si James na kilala ko siya. Okay na. Kaya magtagal sa camera kasi baka ma-copyright tayo sa music. Na ako ni James.
Dito na pala. Para ako bakla. Open po kayo.
And then si...
Ay, video ko na. Welcome to Batangas, yan boy. Barik na. Alam mo yung barik?
Anong bakit?
Tuturuan ka namin ng Batangas word.
Bakit ka?
Barik.
Bakit mo na? Bakit? Stig. Ginagawa ni James ngayon. Ginadrums yung mga kawali. Pandemic daw kasi.
Same job. Drum solo. Drum solo.
mga tutoy! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my vlog. Dapat medyo mas maaga yung uwi, no? Kasi takot ako sa bagyo. Nakating na bagyo eh. Today is like October 31. Yung bagyo ay darating na madaling araw bukas. Masaya lang kasama nila Densi, no? Na-hold up pa ako kasi si Densi kasi merong daily dose of Densi DDD na page na ina-upload niya yun every day kasi daily nga, diba? Check out niyo yung page niya. Wala lang, nag-jam lang. So I believe ang pupuntahan ko to ngayon is Packet ng Tagaytay. Also wanna share this day kasi it's probably my last time going somewhere out of the city, no? Kasi I'll be going back to work. Call center boy na ulit ako. I would still give you like videos, probably mga glimpses, kwentuhan ko lang din kayo ng mga nangyayari sa work, no, as if you care. But yeah, once we go back to work, things will be different. Still gonna vlog, pero not gonna upload much. More likely, kung gusto niyo yung araw-araw lang na simplihang motovlog, yung parang araw-araw na kwento ko lang, sakto lang naman. Mag-upload pa rin ako. Still gonna vlog. Pero hindi lang malala yung gala. Anyways, as I was talking about, these guys, known them for quite a while. Mga idolo ko kasi ito musically. And kung natatandaan nyo yung last na Midnight Rider, I think sila din yung na-feature ko doon. Kanta nila yun. I like their style. Nakita nyo sa intro, pinakita ko doon kung ano yung routine ko. Hinahanap ko lagi si Stradman. Lagi kong sinecheck kung may bago na ba siyang upload. Kasi Stradman is part of the reason kung bakit ako nag-vlog. Gusto ko naman talaga yung mag-vlog. Wala lang talaga akong kapal ng mukha para gawin yun. Pero saka nanood ng mga videos niya, sobrang naging okay ako. But in a way na na-inspire ako dun sa fact na rags to riches. Hindi naman masabing rags to riches eh, pero kasi si Stradman is nakatira dun sa kotse niya. Audi TT, yung pinakaunang kotse ni Stradman. From ganong state, though nakikitira pa rin siya kay Nick, sa best friend niya. Tinutulungan siya ni Nick na he's tumangad. And she's something good. I mean, a lot of my friends helped me a lot. She's kind of inspiring para sa akin. At saka gusto ko siyang makita na yung sobrang makuha niya yung gusto niya. Kasi si Stradman is, I can't say role model kasi accountant yun eh. Pero magaling talaga yun. Hindi naman sa YouTube lang siya kumikita do. Malaki talaga ang kinikita niya sa YouTube. Meron din siyang ibang pinagkakakitaan. Apparently may mga ads din. Ang pinakamagaling sa kanya is pag-handle ng pera. And then knowing na accountant siya, yun ang expected talaga sa kanya. When it comes to making decisions, gagawa niya precisely as planned. Sa mga previous video niya ni Stradman, di naman ganun kaganda eh. Lame. Kung sa lame kasi, di pa ganun kaganda yung quality pagre-represent niya ng mga vlog niya. Pero habang pinapanood ko siya, paganda ng paganda, yung execution. Kitang-kita mo yung improvement. Such a nice thing to see on a person. Yung improvement. So check him out. Napaka-persistent niya in getting the goal, which is positive. Kung gusto niyang makuha, kukuhanin niya. Ooh, God, it's good. Gotta be the best view ever. At may mga tumutubong poste sa gitna ng daanan. Tumubo yung poste sa daan. bad you think life is, or how bad your decision is, and something always finds a way to make it a positive side. The sunset is perfect, man. Whatever happens, mga chuchoy, make sure to find something or find your time to at least go somewhere where you can think and have a positive thoughts in life, lalo na pag medyo down na kayo. The grass is greener on the other side. Just whatever happened, yung araw na yan, lulubog man yan. Kinabukasan, lilitaw lang din yan. It's always gonna be tomorrow, no? Just that you don't see every day. And pagbalik ko na naman sa call center, hindi ko na naman makikita yung mga yan. See, these green grass gives me a sense of positivity. Hindi sa COVID, napaka-positive lang sa pakiramdam ng nakakita ng mga greens. Greens is life, you know? Yung color ng dollars, diba? Green. So you have to love green. No, seriously, with all seriousness. Totoo naman yung sinasabi ng mga hippie. Stay close to nature. Not too close na parang hihit-hitin mo na siya. It's just give something for nature. Give time to at least appreciate its beauty. As in the city, nabobombard tayo ng mga stuff about work and pag may time, kapag kaya naman ng oras mo, or actually, if you can, probably provide the actual time na. Huwag mo na masyadong isipin, ano. If bakante lahat, tas may nagyaya sa'yo, grab. Ano mawawala? I mean, these experiences all gains. Apparently, kung ikaw naman ang magyayaya, kung ayaw nila, edi wag mo silang pipilitin. Pero if you have the car, if you have the means of transportation, and if you're not just close to something like this, huwag ka na magdadalawang isip. I mean, meditate mo yung sarili mo. Ang dami ko sinasabi, no? Palibasa wala akong kausap eh. Palibasa solo flight, ano? And I hope you're hearing me kasi last time medyo ang kulit ng audio. That's fine. See you on the next one, mga titoy! Ciao!